Good morning, everyone. It's already more than 8 o'clock in the morning here in the Philippines. So this is a video of today finally, and a real update on our place. So it's more than 1 month since the rainy season starts, and we can see that more green now. So Christian work on the multicab for since so many days already. Later, I will upload a video about the multicab refurbishing. So, but for today, he is there in. We have the other side there of the lot where we planted also napier grass before. So that's the napier grass on my previous video there. And then here we have a vacant lot since the previous batch of napier grass there is finished, and due to dry season and very bad soil, it's so many stones there. So now we need to replant the new cuttings that we harvest from there. So we have actually here napier cuttings that is ready to plant for the where that is why Christian is preparing the other side of the soil, but it's a very small part of the soil there. But you see they grow roots already, and this one, so it's mixed the purple and so you can imagine how fast the time, because before we just both the purple and the new batch of pak chong napier from online. So now we are ready to plant the new stems from it. So you see, that's the extra of the goats, because the goats they cannot eat the bigger stems. They try, but finally, when it's really hard, they cannot. Maybe the cow. So I know people make silage, but we don't have machine for that. And so yeah, this will be the new batch, and then more here. You can see even the purple, they grow stems bigger now. And then I have also a few pineapples that I need to plant. The crowns, these are the crowns. They grow roots now. You see that we harvested 10 pineapples and we already eat 8 of them. Another here. So, and then we have few more to harvest, but they are not ripe. They are very sweet because they really ripe on the. We wait to be ripe on the plant before we harvest them, and they are very sweet. So the avocado here is growing good. So we have a lot of avocado fruit to harvest on this side of the lot. So later I will make a video on that when they are ready to harvest soon. So this where Christian is there with the micro tiller. A little bit noisy of the machine. Dollars, no! Don't go out. So I will go a little bit farther first to explain. So let's go to the goats first. I put the goats outside on the right of way. They are there cleaning the right of way. So I'm bringing my gloves and my weapon I will uproot some of the bad grass there close to um, around the palm trees to clear more of the side of the right of way. Staller. So back to Christian. As I have said, it's so many stones there, and especially with the micro tiller, we really need to move the stones. But it's not the first time we move stones from this place. So Christian, I saw he already started one row of for the Napier plants, and he make a nice design. I think it will be a terraces for Napier. Good morning, honey. Good morning. So you see what he did there, because this part. Welcome to the terraces of Bohol. The terraces of Bohol. Baucan, Barangay Baucan. So you see this place here is the slope going there to that's the small boundary of the lot where the fence, and then we planted also, we have there one coconut. You see a lot of stones here, and Christian put the stones on the side of the row like that. You see that he arranged the stones on the side of the row to make a flat row for each Napier. Right, honey? You see that he is using the small rake to gather the stones. So it's not really visible on the video, but the lot is really slope going there, because the other side of the lot owned by the neighbor, where it's a jungle right now, it's not also visible because it's so many plants, but it's deep on the other side, it's deep there, and then a small hill at the back. So that is why it's a nice idea for Christian to make a flat row for each, so that to avoid the soil erosion on this slope part of the lot. We have also some pineapples in this side. I harvested one also from here, this one. So all of this on this side I planted when Christian was in France, and then 2 years ago, three, I think, and already harvested. In fact, I harvested two already on this side, another one there. So it's grassy here. Every morning I try to harvest grass for the goats, but sometimes I put the goats in there, but it's a little bit complicated because there are many plants also. But sure, need to uproot the grass here. They grow fast, especially when the rain started. And also I planted here branches of Madre de Agua before, and now they are growing. The goat like them, and the chickens. So that's the hill I'm talking here at the back there, and then it's deep on this one. Not very deep, but not the same level of our lot, because we are a little bit on top also there. So that's what I was talking about before, that Christian changed something on the micro tiller. So this one, that's the how you call that, to limit the deep, he told me. So he changed that from this one here. The original is It's not so good, Han.
Huh?
It's not so good, this one.
But for some work, yes, but not all.
Mm. So he changed.
On a hard work, it's difficult to limit.
Mm. And and also he changed something here. He make it stronger for the bolt. Ano? This one, this
No,
is.
because like this is more protected. Your leg are more protected than the original.
Ah, yes. But you also fix here because when we bought it, it's not so good.
But I add that.
Yes. Good. We're there. So I leave Christian from what he is doing, and I go back here on the goats. I need to clean. As I have said, I have to uproot some of the bad grass that is trespassing here. Trespassing. This lot is already part of the neighbor there, and this is our right of way. So I grass cut here so many times before with the grass cutter. That's why now on the middle it's nice grass, and the goats can do the cleaning for this type of grass. But there's a lot of very very terrible and bad grass like this. We call this hagonoy. That, and they are now trespassing on our right of way, so many of that. So I prefer to uproot them manually than to use the grass cutter, because with the grass cutter they grow fast again like that. Oh, they are terrible. They are very very invasive, this type of grass, and sometimes it's easy to uproot, but most of the time it's very hard. And sometimes if I am not so motivated, I cut them with my weapon if they are really hard for me to uproot. We have this when we bought the lot. It's full of like this. All of this bad grass mostly, and so many other bad grass that even the goats don't like to eat. But it's just I and Christian who work for all, and now you can see it's very clean, the lot. Although we still get bad grass like this most of the time, like what you saw on the part where Christian is working now. But I hate to see them, especially because they grow so fast. So that's all for this video today. I have to work here before we take a break for coffee time. So thank you everyone for your time and have a nice day.